In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import projects from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. We'll start right on GitHub. Open the repository page for the project you want to work with. This is the main landing page where you can see the code, the README, and the branch selector near the top. Make sure you're signed in so you have access to the development options. Next, look for the green code button near the top of the repository. Click it to open the menu. You'll see options like HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLI for cloning. But for this workflow, we'll switch to the Codespaces tab in that same menu. This view lists any available cloud development environments that are already set up for the repository. Select the available codespace for this project. Clicking it will launch the project in the browser-based version of Visual Studio Code. Give it a moment to initialize. The first load can take a bit while the environment starts and extensions are prepared. Once the editor is open in your browser, confirm you're on the correct branch by opening the branch menu, typically visible in the lower left status bar or near the top of the File Explorer. Staying on the intended branch ensures you're working with the right version of the code. Now, from the browser editor, open the menu that offers environment actions and choose Open in VS Code Desktop. This hands off the running Codespace to your desktop app, so you get the full local experience while still working against the same remote environment. Your browser may prompt you to open Visual Studio Code. Approve that. In the desktop app, you might be asked to install a helper extension to connect to the Codespace. Click Install when prompted. These components enable a secure connection and sync your workspace settings. You may also see a few confirmation dialogues. Allow the window to open, trust the workspace if you recognize the source, and permit the connection to complete. These prompts are normal and help keep your environment safe. If you don't see the project right away, wait a few seconds. The file tree will populate once the connection is established. Back in VS Code Desktop, look at the Explorer on the left and expand the project folder. Open a file, any README or source file, to verify everything loaded correctly. At this point, you're fully set up. You can browse files, run tasks, commit changes, and push updates, all from the comfort of your desktop editor while the compute runs in the cloud. That's it. You've moved a project from GitHub into Visual Studio Code.